Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Foil Design Institute, and today I want to share with you an on-trend boutonniere, fun flowers to wear, done as a pocket square. So it's very easy to just slide it in and be elegant. The base is nothing more than a piece of cardboard cut down. Then, using 3M Super 77 spray glue, and a large leaf, can be an aspidistra or a tea leaf. Just adhere that to the cardboard so you get total coverage, ready to base the flowers. For flowers, pick your favorite first. Flatter faced, smaller heads are better. So some spray roses and soft pink. Pink and blush is still on trend. Cutting them down flat, right at the base of the calyx. Then thinking about texture, and I grabbed several different things. Some scabiosa pods to give it that nice autumn look. Sedum. Sedum has great color and texture. A little bit of wax flower to soften it. It's a little more delicate. Just cutting everything flat. And then a little bit of seeded eucalyptus. Again, great color and great texture. Using your Oasis floral adhesive, you want to put a small amount right at the top, because glue to glue sticks best. So you just do a little bit up there to get it started, then going back and on each of your flowers, glue at the base, and let it begin to dry. You'll want it to get to the stage of bubbling. That's when you know it's ready to adhere tightly. And it doesn't take a lot of glue, just a dot, because if you do too much, it'll just start sliming around, get kind of messy. Then starting with some of the more delicate items, the sedum, bit of glue, and then push it in place. Repeat that. Creating a nice base, some of the seeded eucalyptus. Then applying a bit of pressure to help hold it. Lift this up so that you can see. Just building a base that then I can go back and place the larger flowers. Adding in a rose. And then again, more of the sedum and more of the eucalyptus. As you work, think about providing the textural base and then adding the flowers, making sure that it looks good when you look down on it, because once it's in, they could be looking that direction if they're looking at it themselves. So bringing in a rose that comes up to the top, nestling it in, and then another for more fullness. Deciding where the last scabiosa pod goes. And then once you have your larger blooms, go back with the more delicate. Just a tiny bit of the wax flower. Nestling it in. Adding a little color contrast and texture to make it a very interesting boutonniere. The pocket square boutonniere is an easy and elegant way to create flowers to wear. Now, it's so simple. Just slide it in the pocket and it's ready to go. For more creative inspiration, check out the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions You can reach us through there, or better yet, pick up the telephone and give us a call. 503-223-8089. And of course, I'd love to see what you create. Put together flowers, take a picture, and post it on social media. Be sure to tag Floral Design Institute so I will see, as well as the entire tulip tribe, because now it's your turn. Have fun and do something you love.